Hi, Patrick with Deere Country Farm and Lawn here. Today we're going to talk about the John Deere front mount mowers. What I have beside me is a John Deere 1575. What I'd like to focus on today is the key selling features of the machine, or why to buy a front mount versus other machines. The number one reason would be versatility. All right, a front mount mower has a couple different decks that are available to it. We have it equipped with a 72-inch side discharge, which is by far the most popular model deck that we sell. It's a 37 horsepower machine, so it's more than capable of handling this size deck. Next to the machine, you'll also see that we have a 60-inch snowblower and a 60-inch broom. Those are some of the other options that are available. Some of the attachments I don't have on display available to show you, but are great on the machine, are a 47-inch snowblower, which a lot of our customers like who have to do sidewalk snow removal. 47-inch snowblower handles that very well. There's also what's called a debris blower, or a buffalo turbine, which is a large fan that goes on the front. It can be used for a multitude of things, most commonly for leaves, sidewalk cleanup, road cleanup, and even snow removal for a light snow it does very well at. And the last thing is a 60-inch front blade. You can do a front angling blade on this. So when you think through the versatility and all these different attachments, this machine's an all-season machine. That's really key. That's the number one reason that we sell this machine, is customers who are looking for consolidation. Instead of having multiple machines, here we are, we can mow, we can do snow removal, we can do some leaf cleanup with it. Deere even offers a rear drop spreader for it. So again, if you want to do sidewalks and whatnot, you're pushing or blowing the snow and dropping materials, salt or whatnot behind you. So hitting all of those seasons, versatility is the number one reason people buy these. One of the other reasons they'll buy them is it's very capable. All right, the durability of the machine and the comfort of the machine. From a capability standpoint, this machine's four-wheel drive. You can load it up with weights, so it's even better on the hills. You can also put dual tires on it so that you get more traction. Makes it a very, very safe machine compared to a lot of other options that are out there. For example, a compact tractor or a zero turn. This machine gives you much better balance. From a durability standpoint, Deere uses a Yanmar engine in it, just like they do in a lot of their other small diesel machines. Has a great reputation. Use a lot of cast iron components. Not unusual for us to trade these in with thousands of hours on it. I've seen them with over 10,000 hours still running, and we resell them. So it's a long life machine as long as the maintenance is upkept. And the last reason is comfort. And that's a big reason we sell it to government agencies or owner-operator landscapers that aren't in the machine. They want to be sure that their operators are protected from the elements. You've got heat and air conditioning in here, as well as cab filters to help keep out the dust and allergens. It's a rounded glass design, okay, which means that when you're inside, it feels bigger than what it looks from the outside. It gives you a little bit more space. That's not to mislead you and make you think that you're going to recline in here. It's still a small machine, so it feels small in there, but we do everything we can to make it give you as much space as possible. Those are the primary reasons that people buy them, and they're important because it's expensive, right? I know that's a question that we get a lot of times on every video, and every customer comes to the doors. Yeah, but what's the price? The base machine MSRP on this is over $42,000, and each of the attachments range from $2,500 up to almost $6,000 depending on what the attachment is. So when you get one of these, it's very easy to buy a couple attachments and be close to $50,000 for one of these. But when you add up the versatility of being able to use it all year round, the durability and the comfort, the performance, this is an all-season machine that's going to last for years. So a lot of people like to buy this and kind of make it their one-trick pony. It's easy to maintain, and therefore it's easy to own. Hopefully you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions, give us a call at Deere Country Farm and Lawn and ask for lawn sales, or visit us at deerecountry.net. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel too. Thanks.